Welcome back to Cherry's Instruments. We're out here in the shop. We're going to do some stocking of some material today. We did the test bends and those turned out really well. I also made some corner block test pieces. To keep things rolling, I wanted to show you guys how I rough out my stock material before it goes onto the CNC machine. I don't usually show you this part, but we're still working on the videos for modeling the neck and scroll. That's a really tricky process, so it's going to take a little while. So in the meantime, I've got this piece of maple. This thing is about 1 3/4 inch thick, and I'm not sure how long, but I think we're going to be able to get a neck, back, and sides out of this thing. It's got some nice figure in it, and it looks really great. I think this is going to look very good for this instrument. I also have some Sitka spruce. This is 8/4 here, and we're going to see if we can pick out a nice piece for a book matched top on that. And we'll also be making some corner blocks out of the same material here. So thanks for all your questions. Thanks for all your likes. We're getting a lot of subscribers, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate all the likes. Please share, like, subscribe, and let's show you how we do this. Okay, we're going to be book matching a top and back, and for that we're going to need glue. Typically I'll use Type-On Original for most of my instruments. That's my preference, but this is a violin, and although we're using a CNC machine to cut the majority of the parts, we will still be using the traditional glue, hide glue, for this. So I'm going to mix up a batch of hide glue here, and we'll have it ready for when we book match the back and top. Okay, I think I've got this set. What we're going to do is we're going to rip a piece across the top here first. Then we're going to do one cross cut, and then we'll cut the rest of the pieces out with the bandsaw. Okay, we got our side stock all cut out and dimensioned. This is a little bit over the width dimension, so we'll be ripping a piece off of this that we'll use as the linings when we get to bending. The back plate's been cut and joined with the hide glue. And this piece has some nice figure. We have a neck blank and the Sitka spruce top that's been cut and joined, book matched as well. And back here we have some blocks that we'll be using to cut the corner blocks. Up next, we're going to be building some jigs and fixtures that we'll use with the hand tools for finishing up these plates and all the parts once they come off the CNC machine. The modeling in Fusion 360 will be done here very shortly, and please like and subscribe and click the bell and all that stuff, and we'll see you next week.